How to restrict or unrestrict someone on Instagram. Hi guys, let's get started. First, open the Instagram application and go to your profile of the user that you want to restrict. You can tap on the search icon at the very bottom and then type down the username of the person whom you want to restrict. Or if you want to restrict someone from your followers or followings, then simply go to your followers or followings and select the person whom you want to restrict. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the options menu and simply select restrict. A message will appear asking if you want to restrict the user. Tap on restrict again to confirm. Once you have restricted someone, they won't be able to see when you're active on Instagram and they won't receive notifications for your messages or DMs. The comments on your post will only be visible to them and you'll have the option to approve or delete them. Now to unrestrict someone, again go to your profile and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select unrestrict. And that's it. Now you know how to restrict or unrestrict someone on Instagram. I hope this video is going to help you out and thank you for watching till the end.